Kurt Hugo Schneider? Oh, we need our pal Kurt. He has a very special surprise for you. Kurt Hugo Schneider, where are you at, boy? There he is!
This is a diamond YouTube play button. I've never seen one of these.
It's been a pleasure every single time I've worked with Bethany. She's not only so talented, you are one of the sweetest people. 10 million subscribers, that's what this is for, and you deserve every single one of them. And this is really, really heavy.
I know, you like work out to carry that thing.
Congratulations, you are.